Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai lingba ka National Service Scheme Unit kalapenlong ye ka jingalang ban persya di duma ne World No Tobacco Day arajara arpulai halor ka phang ka baong My Meghalaya Tobacco Free Tobacco ye ka jingalang la penyai da ba Lamin NSS Program Officer ha ka jingadon lang principal ka college Dr. DG Lingdo Mari ka jing batay banya halor ka jing ma jong duma la batay de ka reu shampang ka Dr. Bonnie Triple Hing Ayurvedic physician Jowai Civil Hospital Yalong ha hall jong ka Thomas Jones Synod College ha ka sngi balang uba lamin ha ba ajing kran ha ka sngi ulamait phang ya ka World No Tobacco Day de ka baong baka de ka jing la persya yu duma parban ajing hikai ne pensyai sya baro ki samla puli mat ki paj ba nong song snong Baka jing pendon kam ni uduma ka wanra ka jingma baka jingpang bampong ni cancer. Ka Dr. Hing hagni ka sngi kala batay banyaru sa pang ka jingma ka bala ban yo na ka babam bat di duma baraka jo ka por ka wanra ya ka jing sneo ya ka kot ka khia jong breo.
Tobacco free Meghalaya, in which the government of Meghalaya also has taken up the steps in order to be part of the celebration or the observation of the World Tobacco Day. To create awareness to the public, to the communities, to the students, and each and everyone, because as we all know that consumption of tobacco has led us to many type of disease or cancer. That this year we have a theme which says that we need food, not tobacco. So one of the main reason is because of the heavy consumption or uses of tobacco, which has been causing around not only our health, but it also has causing us economically.
Into our body, it attracts us. It makes us feel good. And what happened then? You know, right? I'll tell you. So when someone smokes, the nicotine is getting absorbed and it reaches through the lungs into our bloodstreams. And where then? How we smoke, how we eat tobacco? Smokers will do like this, and some who eat kindly, they'll put it inside like this and chew it directly. And there, when it goes into the lungs, from our airways to the lungs, you know that we have two lungs, okay? One from right, one from left. Then it enters to our lungs, and from our lungs to the bloodstreams, and then to the brain neurons. Directly to the brain neurons. In just few seconds. Nicotine travels so fast in our body. And in just few seconds, it doesn't take not even half an hour. In just few seconds, study says. So, when it happened like that, what will happen to our body? There is a physiological changes in our body. That changes, student, that changes. Some people might not understand it. Because why? You might never know. You feel, oh, I'm like the same. After taking few puffs of cigarette, I feel good, I feel the same, You cannot feel that change then and there. And what happened? What happened then? People began to have the pleasure of taking tobacco. They feel good, oh, I'm normal as I am. Nothing happened to me, so let me try again. That is the immediate pleasurable reaction. Please remember, student, the immediate pleasurable reaction of the nicotine happens in our body in just few minutes, from the lungs to the bloodstream to the brain, and it makes us feel good, which is just for temporary. Okay? So we have to strive, each one of us, be it in a group or in a family or individually, to get a good health. Our body is so weak, sometimes we don't know what will happen to our body. But God has given us a good body and also the immune system to fight against diseases. But without taking care of our body, even with after knowing that the danger of tobacco also we still consume it, then what will happen? It's just like we don't love ourselves. We don't love our body. So students who are the people who will easily get addicted, I would say people like us, like me, like us all here, like you, are very, very much need to take care, because we are living in a world where we have to experience, we don't know, tomorrow my friend will say, oh, just take this for once, it made you feel good. Then without proper thinking, we'll take, and then it becomes a habit. Most of the teenagers also get addicted at the very early adolescent stage.